Have you ever said, I know what I want to say, but English just doesn't come out? Or maybe you face this. You meet an American friend, they say, "What's up?" And you reply, "I'm up too?" If this sounds like you, congrats. You're officially invited to the most exciting, funny, and practical English guide of your life. This is How to Improve Your English Speaking Skills. Quickly, USA edition. No boring grammar books. No scary vocabulary lists. Just real talk, real tips, and real fun. American style. So buckle up, grab your coffee or chai, and let's boost your English like a rocket, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to speak English confidently, fluently, and naturally, even with Americans. Let's go. Part 1. Understand why you're not fluent yet. Before we jump into the cool stuff, let's understand one thing. Why are you still struggling to speak English? Here are the 3 deadly sins of English learners. 1. Learning like a textbook robot. You know the words but can't speak fluently? That's because you're memorizing, not living the language. You don't say, "I am going to the market now" in real life. You say, "Gonna hit the store." Tip. Stop learning outdated textbook English. Start listening to real people. 2. Fear of making mistakes. Newsflash. Even Native Americans say, like, you know? Don't aim for perfection. Aim for connection. Fluency is messy. Confidence is key. 3. Speaking less, watching more. Binge watching Netflix is fun, but unless you're mimicking, it won't help you speak. Tip. Shadow, repeat, record, and talk to yourself. Yes, talk to your mirror. You're not crazy. You're becoming bilingual. Part 2. Talk like an American. Want to sound more American? You don't need an accent coach. You need rhythm, slang, and shortcuts. 1. Use American contractions, shortcuts. Forget, "I do not know." Say, "Dunno." Not "let me help you." Say, "let me help ya." Americans mush words together like mashed potatoes. So practice. Gimme that "what you doin'." Ain't gonna lie, lot of fun too. Use common American phrases. Americans don't say, "I'm very tired." They say, "I'm beat." "I'm wiped out." "I'm crashing soon." And instead of "I'm very happy," they say, "I'm pumped over the moon." Can't complain. Learn these phrases and sprinkle them like hot sauce. 3. No American fillers. They're real. Americans say, like, all the time. Use them naturally. Don't overdo it. I was totally confused. That's crazy. It makes you sound more native-like, not robotic. Part 3. Master the 3-second rule to speak fluently. Here's a juicy trick called the 3-second rule. If someone asks you something, you only get 3 seconds to respond, no matter what. This forces your brain to think in English instead of translating. Let's try. 1. How's your day? Wrong. Good? Awkward silence. Right. Great. Just got off work. Or, tiring, but good. 2. Do you like spicy food? Wrong. Let me. What is the English of tikka? Right. Yeah, love it. Burns, but worth it. This rule trains your speed, confidence, and fluency. Start with friends. Set a timer. No translating allowed. Bonus tip: record your 60-second speech daily. Pick a topic. My favorite food. Why I hate Mondays. Why dogs are better than cats. Record. Listen. Fix. Repeat. Do this for 30 days. You'll be shocked. Part 4. Make English part of your life. You don't study English, you live English. Here's how to sneak English into your daily life. 1. Change your phone language to English. Yes, your settings too. You'll start seeing battery low instead of battery bottom. 2. Watch YouTube or Netflix with subtitles on watch sitcoms like Friends, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, or The Office. Listen to jokes, expressions, and rhythm. Then pause and repeat them out loud. Mimic. 3. Read memes, tweets, and Reddit posts. Sounds silly? It's actually genius. That's real-world English. Slang, sarcasm, humor, all in one place. 4. Make English-speaking friends, even online. Join groups on Facebook, Discord, Reddit, or download apps like Tandem, HelloTalk. Make it fun, not formal. Talk about music, food, life. 5. Create an English diary with drama. Write like this. OMG, today my boss yelled at me and I didn't know what to say. Awkward AF. Write raw. Write real. Practice emotion and tone. Part 5. Turn boring practice into a game. Let's gamify your English. Who said learning can't be fun? Here are 5 challenges that are crazy effective. Challenge 1. English karaoke. Challenge: pick one English song. Try Ed Sheeran, Taylor Swift, or Bruno Mars. Learn the lyrics. Sing along. Repeat till you can feel every word. Challenge 2. Speak for 2 minutes without using harder than it sounds. Topic: your pet. Your dream vacation. Worst school memory. Challenge 3. Tongue twister. War, say fast. She sells seashells on the seashore. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck? It improves pronunciation like magic. Challenge 4. 5-word American sentence game. Make funny 5-word sentences using new phrases. I'm crashing on my couch. Netflix, pizza, sleep, perfect night. Dude, you nailed it today. Challenge 5. Silent movie. Voiceover. Watch a muted video and create dialogue in English. Be silly, be dramatic, be creative. It boosts your imagination and fluency. Part 6. Break the confidence barrier. Fluency is 20% skill, 80% confidence. Let's destroy that fear. 1. Fake it till you make it. Speak confidently, even if you're unsure. Smile, use hand gestures, and speak with energy. Confidence makes you sound fluent, even if you make mistakes. 2. Celebrate small wins. Spoke English with a stranger today? Boom, mini victory. Understood a meme? Win. Don't wait to be perfect. Celebrate the progress. 3. Laugh at your mistakes. Mispronounced beach as the other word? Congrats, you're learning. Mistakes are funny stories, not failures. 4. Visualize speaking like a pro. Every morning, close your eyes and imagine you're giving a TED Talk in perfect English. The brain can't tell the difference between real and imagined confidence. Use that. Part 7. Your 7-day speaking sprint plans. Here's your quick start fluency boost plan. Follow this 7-day challenge and feel the difference. Day 1. Record a 60-second English intro. Who are you? Where are you from? What do you love? Day 2. Shadow a 2-minute American YouTube video. Repeat every word they say. Match the tone and rhythm. Day 3. Write an English diary entry. Include slang, feelings, drama. Make it juicy. Day 4. Talk to a mirror for 5 minutes. Topic: what would you do with $1 million? Day 5. Watch an American sitcom episode with subtitles. Pause and mimic 5 funny lines. Day 6. Teach a friend something in English. Explain how to cook Maggie or tie a shoelace in full English. Day 7. Go live or record on Instagram or WhatsApp. Speak for 1 minute about your week. Don't worry about mistakes. So, what have we learned today? Speaking English is not about being perfect. It's about being real. You don't need a PhD in grammar. You need practice, confidence, and a little bit of craziness. Remember, speak every day, even to yourself. Laugh at your mistakes. Use American slang and phrases like you're in New York. Make it fun. Make it you. Whether you're in India, Mexico, Brazil, or just a shy corner of your bedroom, you can learn to speak English like a pro. Now tell me in the comments, what's one funny English mistake you've made? Let's laugh and learn together. If you love this video, hit the like button, share it with your fellow English learners, and subscribe for more English plus entertainment plus motivation every week. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, keep slaying English. See ya.